Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable HDMI CEC on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of your device, you're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar on the left, open Settings, then navigate down to the Connection tab, and in the Connection tab, navigate down to HDMI and CEC and open this menu. Now, to disallow this feature, you just have to switch the first toggle to the left. And now if you don't want to fully disable HDMI and CEC, we can disable some specific features like device auto power off or device auto power on or TV auto power on by switching the respective toggles. We can also check CEC device list by selecting the last option in this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.